When do people who run frequently need to replace their running shoes? Running shoes are different from ordinary shoes. Running shoes are not replaced when they are worn out, but when the soles are aged or lose their cushioning and support functions, they need to be replaced. There are several factors that consume shoes. One is the weight of the runner. The heavier the weight, the faster the wear. The second is that the plastic track of the running venue wears out slowly, while the gravel road wears out relatively quickly. The third is the running habit that heavy feet wear out quickly while light feet wear out slowly. The life of running shoes is not only a factor of time, but also a factor of running volume. According to a statistical data from the Jogging Circle, a pair of running shoes will age after running 500 to 1,000 kilometers. The midsole of a new running shoe has a certain hardness when pinched, but it rebounds very quickly, while the old running shoes that need to be replaced have a significantly weakened rebound. The hard old sole feels severely worn, and one side is high and the other side is low, which also needs to be replaced. In fact, wearing a pair of running shoes to the end is irresponsible to the body, and running shoes should be replaced frequently. First of all, during running, even if the pace is not fast, if you wear a pair of shoes for a long time, you may cause strain due to continuous pressure on one part. Changing running shoes on a daily basis will benefit from the different performance and structure of running shoes, making the overall strength of the legs stronger, so that the strength will not be unevenly developed due to the single running shoes. Only balanced strength can reduce the possibility of injuries. Then each pair of running shoes has its own lifespan. Wearing multiple pairs of running shoes can also give the shoes time to recover. Running shoes, like people, also need time to rest and recover. Its midsole foam material will deform after a run, and it takes time to restore to its original shape and then exert its performance. Finally, according to different venues and different training courses, you should also choose running shoes with different performance. Some running shoes focus on cushioning support and are more suitable for jogging or long distances. Some running shoes are very light, which are more suitable for interval or short-distance sprint training on the track and field. Some thick-soled running shoes with carbon plates are more suitable for road running competitions. In short, depending on the type of running, aerobic running, rhythm running, and long-distance running are different. It would be better to change to suitable running shoes. Well, if you have been running for many years, you have already regarded running as a part of your life. When choosing running equipment, running shoes are crucial. Finally, I wish runners to run more easily and healthier.